How to recover a forgotten Capital One username. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So here, if you forgot your Capital One username, no problem. Well, in this video, I will show you how to recover it quickly. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside the web browser, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Capital One. And now here, from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Capital One. Now here, once you see the interface like this, you can just click on the sign in button which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And once you do that, you'll be prompted to the login page. Now here, once you see the interface like this, you can simply choose the option labeled as forgot username or password. So simply click on it and after that on the next page you need to enter your last name, social security number and the date of your birth. So here simply enter the prompted credential and after that you can simply click on find me. And once you click on that, your username will be either shown on the on screen or sent to your registered email. So make sure to check your inbox or spam if it's sent by an email. And that's it. That's how you can recover your forgotten Capital One username. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.